Now let's talk about the AMC's exclusive set, which we call it as the wedding set. So which is going to cover the complete range of pots that are available in our AMC. So here comes the pot of 16 centimeter range. This is 16 centimeter low, which is of 1.3 liters capacity. And this is the pot of 16 centimeter height. This is of the capacity 2 liters. 16 centimeter milk pan, which is of the capacity 2.5 liters. 16 centimeter sautés, this is of the capacity 1.2 liters. 20 centimeter low, this is of the capacity 2.3 liters. 20 centimeter high, this is of the capacity 3 liters. 20 centimeter super high, this is of the capacity 4 liters. Now comes the pot of 24 centimeter range. This is 24 centimeter roaster, this is of the capacity 3.5 liters. "24 centimeter high, this is of the capacity 5 liters. 24 centimeter super high, this is of the capacity 6.5 liters. 24 centimeter Jajang, this is of the capacity 8 liters. This is 24 centimeter Eurasia, this is of the capacity 2.8 liters. "24 centimeter hot pan, this is of the capacity 2 liters. We have a 24 centimeter deep wok, this is of the capacity 3 liters. Next comes the 28 centimeter Eurasia, this is of the capacity 4 liters. And this is called as the 32 centimeter primers, this is of the capacity 9.5 liters. Along with the various different pots, you can also avail 3 different products. Navigenio, this is the smallest mobile oven, so this we call it also has the hot plate. So using this, you can convert any of the AMC pot into an oven and you can do baking, grilling, roasting, and also you can bake cakes using the plate. So this is the 20 centimeter Secu quick lid, so which is going to fit into all the pots of 20 centimeter range, and this is converting the AMC pot into a rapid cooking unit. And we also have a 24 centimeter Secu quick lid, which is going to fit all the 24 centimeter pots except the hot pan, and an Audiotherm. These are all the pots and the products that are available in our exclusive wedding set. So in this particular accessories, they are basically meant or ideally done for serving purpose or the storage purpose, and it also adds beauty to your kitchen. So now I'll be showing you the accessories that are ideally meant for the purpose of serving. Lasagnara, this is a small pot with lid. Lasagnara, medium pot with lid. So Arando servier plate, which is of 32 centimeter in diameter. Servier plate oval, this is of 34 centimeter in diameter. And a double layer bowl, this is basically meant for the purpose of serving itself. Now let's see the set of accessories that is basically meant for the process of mixing. So it facilitates easy mixing. So this is mixer bowl, which is of 16 centimeter, and mixer bowl of the 20 centimeter. And we have a salad bowl, so which is going to be like very much helpful or useful in preparing the salads. So mixing of the contents become very easy using the salad bowl. So now comes the accessories that is meant for the purpose of storing. So it helps to retain the freshness of the fruits and vegetables when you store substances or food ingredients in this particular boxes. So this is 20 centimeter combi bowl, 24 centimeter combi bowl with a lid, 16 centimeter combi bowl, and here comes the smallest wonder bowls along with the lid. And here comes the idli stand, so in which you can make small triangular fluffy idlis. And next comes the tawa, so which is ideal for making dosas, rotis and chapatis. And a set of 2 dinner plates, so which we call it as the duet sets. a round tray which is of 39 centimeter in diameter, so ideally meant for the purpose of serving. And we also have a set of 6 spoons along with the accessories, and a set of 2 pure steak 1 knives. And we have 2 AMC manuals, so that is going to help you like giving guidance to understand better about the AMC product as well as use it in a very efficient way. And we also have a cookbook with various recipes in which you can cook using the AMC product.